so cool actually. Oh wow.
It can fit.
I can even, you know, ride it. The tire is so good and so nice. The good thing is it doesn't need a lot of, you know, assembling and stuff like that. So it's so all well put together. So there's no need to think about, you know, and be worried about that whether this is I'm gonna be able to do this or no.
Yeah.
Even Yama can assemble this since it's already assembled, you know. Like
Yama toys and daddy.
Hi guys. Yama say hi.
Hi.
We almost forgot what to do and what not to do, you know, because it's been like maybe five or 4 months that we haven't made a video. So, you know, I'm so excited. Yama is gonna turn 10 years old. We got him an early present. It's a dirt bike. It's a Razor MX350 dirt bike. It's electric. Let's go open it.
The name is Dirt Rocket.
Yeah, Dirt Rocket. Open and find out what is going on inside.
They really do not have to put that foot. This is all.
Okay. They put some glue. Oh. Let's see. They did some good packaging here. Uh-oh. Whew. Can you show it right here?
It's fake.
Please. Okay. Looks like new. It should be. Let's go. First, handlebar. See, it looks like it's attached already. Oh wow.
No.
It's attached, yeah.
Yeah, that's
So Yama,
attached.
can you do me a favor?
Yes.
You hold this while I'm pulling out the bike.
Man, this is big. Nothing. When I said it was small, I did not mean it.
Oh my god.
This is. Here it is. Here's the manual. And here's all
We're
the
gonna
stuff.
push it this way.
Wait. Put the kickstand on.
Wow. It's so cool. Okay, put the other one. Okay. Nice. Put this one here. Yama, there should be. Just a second. Okay. This goes underneath. Pull this back. Yama, be careful with your face. Okay, I think we
Did it wrong.
did the wrong way. We have to put this part underneath the handlebar, so that way it's gonna be perfect. Gonna take it back and a screw. Okay, Yama, hold it. Don't worry about that. Yama, just hold the handlebar. Perfect. Goes here.
Useless.
Just a second, Yama. Okay, looks good now.
Use this tool.
Okay, just a little bit, then we can use that tool. Make sure it's okay. Is this okay for you, or just a little bit this way?
This one.
This way.
This
Okay.
one's fine.
Yeah. Just, you can adjust the handlebar. So just
That's fine.
making sure the handlebar is tight. Perfect. What else we are missing? Can I see all these things here?
The last ones are stickers.
Put it back. Come on, not now. No. Where are the stickers?
Right there.
Okay. The manual. What else is here? Let's find out.
Okay. So the razor
Oh
blades.
wow! Yeah, there are some stickers. Which? Let me see. Yama.
Here it is.
Yeah, you
So,
can put
which color?
these stickers. Yama's gonna put
We can
all
put any
these
color that we want.
stickers around it.
We can- If it was a
So I wanna get this right here. You can put it over here. I don't know how, you can put any of them
it's supposed to
anywhere.
be like this.
Like what?
So these are the stripes for here.
No, this should be on the side, you see?
But not like these ones right here.
Let me put this. Yama is so excited actually. Can't wait to ride this speed bike, dirt bike. Okay, I don't know if I'm able to do this the right way. Probably. That's good. Okay. Looks good. Thank you, Yama. You can, yeah. Be careful. Okay, make sure it's perfectly attached. Okay. Uh-oh.
That's fine.
Okay, no worries.
So that's C. So C is right
Yeah.
here.
Just make just to. This is how it works, One, perfect. Okay, now it looks awesome.
Oh.
Yeah. Looks cool now. Okay, what else?
Okay, now JK. JK is back.
Okay,
Oh, there it is. Oh.
Okay, Yama's gonna put those stickers.
So
Does it go to the right or left? Doesn't matter,
yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, Yama. It's so cool, actually. Oh wow.
It can fit.
I can even, ride it. The tires are so good and so nice. The good thing is it doesn't need a lot of, assembling and stuff like that. So it's so all well put together. So there's no need to think about, and be worried about that whether I'm gonna be able to do this or no.
Yeah.
Even Yama can assemble this since it's
So
already assembled, it's so nice. So we're gonna put this for charging. Yama is gonna put all the stickers. We go for charging. Now, let me see, what time is it? 5:20. in the afternoon, so it's kind of dark outside. We're gonna put this for charging until tomorrow, since it was saying on the manual that we should put it for charging at least for 12 hours. We're gonna put more than that, you know, for the whole night. Then tomorrow we're gonna take this out. Hopefully if everything works well, we're gonna test drive. Yama is gonna ride it, I'm gonna ride it, and we're gonna find out more about this. Keep watching, stay tuned. Okay guys, now we are ready to test drive this cool bike. Okay, Yama, you're excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks cool actually. It looks very, very strong, not too small. Okay, go ahead, Yama. Be careful, okay? Not so fast. Oh wow. How is it?
Good. It was fast.
It's fast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
It goes 14 miles an hour.
Yeah, you
Well,
could.
you're going on a
Yeah, go up hill. Go down. Be careful, no, not so fast. Yeah, it looks good, you know. It's fast. The speed is 15 miles per hour, I guess, or something. Yeah, it's just a little bike for fun for kids, you know. Yama's wheeling. Go ahead. Yeah. Be careful, okay? You're not wearing your helmet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yama's so happy.
It's really easier than a bike.
Yeah, but you gotta be careful, you know. Slow. Yeah, I was having fun, you know. Jasmine, look at me. Jazz, look at me. Yay! Where is Yama? Okay, right there. Perfect. Yay! Yama and Jasmine. Jasmine. So thank you guys for watching. Keep watching Yama and Daddy, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Yama, toys and Daddy!